Okay, so it started raining, so there is both rain and sunlight. So yeah, let me just switch off the vehicle. I have time. I have to reach there only by 8:30. I have a lot of time with me. I'll just wait it out for a while, I guess. Hello guys, Bratty Baker here. Hope you're all doing well. So I'm currently waiting for the rain to die down. I'm going for work, and for my motorcycles, a lot of subscribers, a lot of friends had asked me, like, to do some jobs that I've always been lazy to do. That is to fix up the dent on my tank's right side, and to change my indicator lens on the front left side, and also on the back right side. So I'll be doing it now in this video. So let us go back to my house, and then let us start doing the work now. Getting this dent removed today, so they'll just use a shovel from inside and hit it to push it outside. See how it goes. First, they are partially removing the monogram, just moving it away from the area of work so that it will be safe from breaking. Basically, they are using a metal rod and pushing the dent out from inside, but they are using a hammer to flatten the surface from outside. As you can see, the dent just popped out, but the effect of a metal rod pushing in is clearly visible. That is why the hammer is being used to flatten the surface. So now you will see the denter slowly understands the surface, and he's using the hammer to flatten it out. At this point, if you're also doing something like this, you can expect the paint to peel off during this process, because if your paint is not damaged during the dent, definitely when pulling the dent out, it will get damaged, because when you're pulling it out, you're basically stretching the paint out, and if it is also aged, it's definitely gonna crack and peel off. Now that we are back home, now let's start the work by replacing the lens of the front left indicator. Let me just show you a quick difference between the new one versus the old one. Now let us shift our attention to the rear right indicator's lens. The old one was actually fairly in good shape, but I'm going to replace it anyway. It's a very simple job. Has a little bit of cracks here and there, and the bottom holder is broken, as you guys can see. Now let's check how bright they are. Nice, that's much better. Another problem is that this indicator has gone kaput. It is working, but unfortunately something inside has gone, so I'm not able to tighten it or loosen it. It's completely jammed inside. Hope you guys can see the bend here. It's like this coming here and it's bending over the side, so I'm not able to get this off. So yeah, I bought a new indicator. I'll be fixing it on this one. So let's go now. We have to remove the seat so that we can find the wiring connection so that we can put the indicator back, the new indicator back. So now removing the seat. On the left side and the right side there are two bolts holding it down. The it is off. As you guys can see, a lot of dust is there. Good time to clean it up. Remove the wire that connects the indicator to the main wiring harness. Then now we have to do some jugaad to get that bolt that holds the indicator out, because already it was jammed, but after a few minutes of work I was able to get it out. Now we have to also get the wire out. Now with the new indicator, it's made by Swiss, not Minda. It has some metal washers. Make sure that you get it installed. Now connecting the wire to the main wiring harness. Adjusting the position. Yep, it's working. Only after it works, you can peel the plastic protection off. Otherwise, if it doesn't work, it will help you to return it back to the shop where you bought it from. Job done. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you guys found this useful. If you did, please do leave a like below. Please do comment down your video suggestions and video requests. I shall put in my best efforts to get it done for you guys. If you like this sort of two-stroke content, please do consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you for watching. Keep the blue smoke alive. Bharati Biker signing off. Have a wonderful day.